Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I I am so excited to do a tutorial on how to crochet a popcorn. You guys are gonna laugh. Oh my god, this woman is crazy. But I was on Facebook, on one of the groups. I can't remember which one. This lady, she was crocheting popcorn, but she wouldn't share the pattern. Oh my goodness, I was just going crazy. I believe this was a couple of years ago. Anyways, what I did is I've been searching. I found the pattern, but the pattern is very complex. So I will share the pattern, but I want to show you how it's done. It's actually very easy to make it. You're going to say, what am I going to do with a popcorn? Well, you can decorate. Well, even on the dish it looks nice. I love popcorn. I love the texture of the popcorn. Look how it looks. Oops, one of the beads fell. Doesn't this look nice? Oh my goodness, I fell in love with this. The yarn that I used is, I was crocheting, I did a tutorial on, and this is the leftover, so it's 100% cotton, but you can use any yarn that you have in your stash. I'm not going to ask you to go and buy it. And then I had these beads, and I went and I ordered more, some AliExpress. I think they're like $5 or $2, and then on Amazon they're selling as well. So what we're going to do is we're gonna go like, I'll show you pictures that I have searched. A couple of years ago there were no pictures at all, but now I think people are lately making this lovely. I think it looks nice, don't you think so? It doesn't smell, it's not greasy. And this is white yarn that I use. You can use cream, off-white. I tried to find off-white close to yellowish. You know, the popcorn has that color, but it's really hard to find that yarn. And I'm just using the yarn in my stash. So what you need is, you need a yarn. You need a 4-weight yarn to start this. And I crocheted with a 4.5 crochet hook. And you need some sort of strong thread. And I have so many of this my dentist gives me. So this is pretty strong. So I would suggest you to use this. And yeah, I want to decorate my fireplace. So I'll show you pictures, and I'm sure you're gonna love them. And I will put the pattern, because there's a pattern, but it's really difficult. Like, I had a hard time. Oh boy! As soon as I made one, and after that, boom, 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 it went. I think 2, 4, 6, 7, and I started on my 8. So it's very easy. And you only make clusters like this. You know the popcorn, how the popcorn is. You make clusters like this. And that's the main thing. So I will show you the pictures and give you an idea. This is the picture that she posted, and I said, oh my goodness, this does really look like popcorn. And then she posted another picture. Here's another picture that she posted. I said, oh my goodness, I'm going to make this. But there were no pattern. I searched and I searched and I couldn't find any. So you can decorate your Christmas tree. That's just like this. You can play around with it, and you can make a couple of beads, and then the popcorn, and even make a necklace. Or even I'm thinking of making a decoration to put on my door. Somehow I'm going to figure out, but I think it will look nice. Play around with the beads and then try to figure out. And I forgot, you need the tapestry needle to sew it up. Well, just a little bit of sewing. It's not even a sewing. So what I'm going to do for this tutorial, I'll use my leftover yarn that I have, and I will make you one popcorn. And I will show you how it's done. And this would be like caramel popcorn. Yeah, okay, so it's very easy, nothing complex at all. And it's really fun. Like I said to myself, oh my goodness, I didn't know that it was this fun. Okay, I don't know why I put the safety pin here. So, okay, so what you need to do is Okay, I'm just loading up my, you need to chain 5. 1, 2, oops, sorry. Ah, my yarn are falling down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then on the second, we're just gonna, the first row is going to be single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay, and then we're going to turn our work without chaining or doing anything, and we're going to make a slip stitch right here. We're creating the first and then we're going to chain 2 to go up, and then we're going to make a double crochet. We're going to pull 2 at once, and we're going to leave the 2 loops remaining, and then we're going to go yarn over and then make another, and then we're going to pull at 2. So we have 3 total, and we're going to pull at once, and then we're going to make a slip stitch right here. So we're going down. We made our first cluster here. Yeah, this yarn is softer than the other one. Yeah, see? This yarn is softer, so it's going to be tinier. I would highly recommend using this is the yarn that I use, Sugar and Cream, or you can use Bernat, a handicrafter, I believe. Yeah, 100% cotton. They are more thicker, I think. Yeah. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to go to the next chain. Just like this, and we're going to do a slip stitch. Oops, sorry. Keep on going down. Okay, so we're going to go to the next chain, and then we're going to do a slip stitch, and then we're going to repeat what we did. We're going to chain 2, yarn over, and then make a double crochet, but we're going to only pull the first 2, and then yarn over, and then pull the first 2, and then pull the remaining, and then we're going to make another slip stitch. So we made our second. Yeah, this is going to be a small popcorn, but just to give you an idea, I would highly recommend using something thicker, worsted yarn, and then go to the next, and then make another slip stitch, and then chain 2, go up, and then make a double crochet, but only pull the first 2 loop, and then again. So we do 2, and then we pull the remaining 3 loops, and then we do another slip stitch. So these slip stitches are making those clusters that we're making. So 1, 2, 3, we're going to make our 4th, just like this. Make a slip stitch, chain 2, go up, make a double crochet, but only pull the 2, and then yarn over again, another pull the 2, and then pull the remaining 3, and then make another slip stitch. Okay, so we finished this row. What we're going to do is, remember when we did the single crochet, now we're going to do the symmetric. So we're turning our work and we're going to do the symmetric. So we're going to go on the bottom. So there's, as you can see, there should be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's hard to see. So we're going to make clusters on those. So we're going to do a slip stitch, go into that, the opposite that we did. 1, 2, chain 2, and then yarn over and make a single crochet, a double crochet, pull 2 at once again. Oh, I get so excited. And then again, pull at once. So we're just repeating what we're doing, and then we do a slip stitch. We always do a slip stitch to create those popcorn thingies here, as you can see. Okay, so I'm going to repeat on the symmetric bottom. Slip stitch, chain 2, just like this, and then pull it once, and then make a slip stitch. So we did our two. Now we're going to do our third. Go to the next and make a slip stitch, chain two. Pull it once, and then relieve the remaining and do another double crochet double, and then pull the two and then leave the remaining and pull the three at once, and then make another slip stitch just like this. Okay, so I'll do the last one here. This last one is hard to see because I pulled it. Okay. Two. Forgot to weave in this end. One. Slip stitch, and we're done. And this is how it looks like. It looks like a grape, doesn't it? You can even make grapes like this. So I'm going to just chain one, and what I need is I'm going to be cutting this yarn because we're done, and I'm going to be sewing that. Okay, and I'm just going to pull this, ta-da, and I'm just going to grab my tapestry needle. Okay, so this is the popcorn, but it doesn't look like a popcorn, right? And here the magic begins. Okay, so you got your needle and you're ready. What we're going to do is, remember those 5 chains that we did? You can see them like 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, you'll see 4. It's okay. So what you're going to go is you're going to poke your needle, go underneath, poke your needle, go underneath, and then try to poke it in that middle here, and then we're gonna pull our yarn just like this. Ta-da! Here's your popcorn. Doesn't this look nice? So, well, it's not closed yet, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to poke my needle again back and forth just to secure, and then I'm going to go back and forth just like this. And here's my popcorn. Oops. Ta-da! Doesn't this look, well, this is a caramel popcorn, let's say it that way. Then you keep sewing until you secure it, because we want to close that thing. Just secure it, like go back and forth. And I like to do is make a knot. Just like this, I go between and then I make a knot just to secure it. And I will cut this yarn, and this one I will weave it just like this. I don't want this to be out. I'm sure you'll find a trick to hide that. So I'm just going to cut these ends. The reason I used a different color so you can see better, because it's really hard to show it on white, and my background is light, so I thought to myself, let me use this yarn and show you how it's done. Okay, so I did cut my ends, and this is how you crochet a popcorn. Ta-da! Yeah, this one is softer because it is a softer cotton. This one is bulkier, so I would highly recommend for you to use a bulkier yarn. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to thread this. I haven't done it. I'm doing it with you guys, so please, if I make a mistake, don't judge me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my floss here. It's brand new. You know, you go to the dentist every 6 months. I go to the dentist, and the assistant, he's so nice that he gives me extras. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to cut it or anything because I don't know the length yet. So I'll just show you, and I'll grab my smaller needle here that will help me poke. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a popcorn here, just like this. And I'm going to pull, and I'm going to put beads between. I think one is enough. Doesn't this look nice? So excited. It's, you know, sometimes you like something and then you can't find how to do it. Like when I saw this, I said to myself, oh my goodness, how in the world did she crochet this? Because it was a crochet group, and then she wouldn't share the pattern. Maybe she didn't know, or she memorized it. I don't know. It's very, as you can see, it's very easy to make. So I said to myself, you know what, I'm going to make this. I'm going to find out and make it. And I did. I did. Well, I found the pattern. The pattern, I think it's new, because it wasn't out when I was searching a couple of years ago. So this is all I'm doing. Oops, one popcorn, one bead. One popcorn, one bead. And then try to go in the middle. And then one bead. I ordered about 200 more beads. And I have lots of white yarn, cotton yarn, so I'll continue to crochet when I have time. Okay, because I'm going to be starting on a beautiful rug. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is all to it. This is all to it. Okay. Need to crochet more. And this is how it looks like. So I hope you like this tutorial. Doesn't this look cute? Oh my goodness, I can't just get over how cute it is. You can make necklaces for the kids. Oh my goodness, and it's strong because the floss is pretty strong. It won't break easily. Well, it won't break for sure. Okay, so again, thank you very much for watching my tutorial. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and happy crocheting!